more sports, all that good stuff. Man, we got a lot to talk about tonight. We're not talking about them drones, although you should shut your faces on stun. Where do we start tonight? Let's talk about Michael Vick to Norfolk State. Michael Vick.
It's halftime. How you feeling?
I feel good, man. You know, the experience is up, man.
Michael Vick to Norfolk State is something that started a couple weeks ago. Shout out to Scotty at Off Script TV. He was the first one to break this news. I want to make sure you give credit where credit is due, always. And then there's a story about Sacramento State being in the mix, and then then Sacramento shoots a rumor that that ain't true. Good. We don't want Michael Vick at Sacramento State. We want Michael Vick at Norfolk State. Why do we want Michael Vick at Norfolk State? It should be a slam dunk hire. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, he's from there. He knows the area. He grew up there. He's a legend there. If I'm an athletic QB, I'm going to play for Michael Vick. That's just it. Moreover, you know what I mean? He should be able to steal a couple gems from UVA, from Maryland, from Virginia Tech. All those schools that are in that DMV or the Virginia area. And I just look at it as, you know, from a branding perspective, the Meac is going to be on fire. It's going to kind of get that side of the spotlight that the SWAC got a couple years with Coach Prime. I mean, the Michael Vick Experience in Norfolk, you know what I mean? I guarantee you that stadium is going to be packed the first game. I might have to hit my nephew up. Hopefully he got another year. Yeah, he got another year. So I'm gonna hit him up like, yo, we're going to the game, yo, friends and family, all that good stuff. And it just makes so much sense. It's a slam dunk for Norfolk State. Hopefully they don't mess it up. Or hopefully, you know, on whatever they need to do on Michael Vick's side to get him on to campus, that it doesn't get messed up. I would look at, you know, just making sure that he hires the right type of offensive coordinator, right type of defensive coordinator, and just has everything set up around him so he could be the most successful. But when you look at him being there, if he's able to recruit, like I said, get the right quarterback, get the right system in place, yo, his path to the Celebration Bowl is a lot. I don't want to say easier because I don't want to disrespect the other Meac schools, but they don't play. They only have I think 5 or 6 teams in the conference. Correct me if I'm wrong. And just the path to get there, it just seems a lot easier. And if you put all that together, it's just a lightning bolt of a hire. You know what I mean? You know, I love to see Jackson State play South Carolina State last weekend. I think that when Coach Prime went to Jackson, he was the rising tide that raised all boats. I definitely watched it more than I watched some of the other playoff games this year. But Michael Vick puts eyeballs in the seats. He fills up the stands. He does everything that he would need to do. And you know people are going to be coming from near and far just to see, you know, that first season, see how he does. I hope that if this was to happen, that they don't try to do the comparison with Coach Prime, because it's just a different situation, a different athlete. But you know, if you're going to get that one-of-one athlete, Michael Vick is that type of guy. And just